If you want to see how I got my hair from this to look like this, stay tuned.
Back at it. Baby, I'ma make a wish, and I want you to make one. Nah, don't tell me yet. We'll talk about that later. DJ Drama.
Hopefully, it's getting something. So, I'm going to take the hair, just like this. This is curly hair, so you know curly hair does get very tangled. But I am going to take it, and I'm just going to brush it out some. Just need one piece. And I sprayed it a little bit, but not too much. You see it's not really wet with this. And inside, it just has a very little bit of conditioner. I like to use the Argan Oil Morocco conditioner, the blue bottle. It's pretty great, especially on curly hair. Never use anything on curly hair but that. And some water, no oil or anything. This hair is really old, so I decided to make a wig. So we're going to take it like this. I've combed it out already. I'm going to take a Flexi rod. These are not the tiny ones, but they're not the big ones. So when I say that, I mean like, here's an example of 3 different sizes, okay? This is what I'm using, alright? Cool. It's purple. Everyone's are different colors, because I have a pink one that's the same size. So I'm not giving y'all colors. But what I do is I take my Flexi rod and I start at the top right here. And I start at the top of my Flexi rod as well. Then I take it, and if you know how to do a wand curl, it's really about like the flick of the wrist, like. So maybe I'll do it this way, backwards, to kind of show you guys. So you take it, and you're really just flicking your wrist around, so that it's not going on there flat, but in like a circular motion. So it really looks like a wand curl, kind of, sort of, or like how you wrap the hair around a wand. And you just keep flicking all the way down, all the way down, all the way down till you get to the end. And once you get to the end, you just bend it, and you bend it again, and this is what it should look like. I'm trying to get the view on here. It should look like this. Boom. And all the ones over here already done. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue to do that all over the mannequin head. And once you do that, you let it sit overnight, and then you take it out in the morning. And I will speed up this part, because this part is really boring. I know y'all don't want to watch me do that. So let me speed it up.
I'm going to go straight down. I'm not going to go back. So take the top, hold it. This side's going to make a lot of noise. And twist like a wand curl. Twisting, and twisting, and twisting. Just like this. Boom, boom. Beautiful. Like the other one. Make sure I'll come out like that. This will look actually really, really, really good. And as long as they all come out like that, they are going to come out bomb. Extra bomb, extra bomb. But yeah, so I'm going to do that then. Catch y'all on the side.
So I'm about to take, well, I am taking my hair down. I am in college, so I live in a whole dorm, and I am in the community bathroom. So if you hear like water running or something, that's the reason. But when I take it down, I just literally unravel the flexi rod in the opposite direction I curled it in. So as you can see, I'm just retwisting it like the wand curl, except in the opposite direction. And as soon as I take it out, boom, it pops, as you can see. So as you can see, I decided to speed through half of it, and I just cut out half of it because it's so boring to watch somebody take down flexi rods. So this is the very last one, and if you can see a little bitty twist in the front, that's my little leave out. This is a wig, and I did the ivy flip over method, even though, this is not my same hair texture. But once I put, some eco styler and some edge control on it, it's gonna look pretty poppin'. Oh, let me get all in the camera. Okay. Okay, show the back. I haven't spread the curls out yet, so. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at them bumps on my face. Looking terrible. Lord. But yeah, y'all ready to see what it looks like? Well, kinda. I had to put another flexi rod in there because it wasn't coiled all the way.
You have to pop out because you're a junior.
I don't know what I'm saying, but that was the finished product. It was Fried Chicken Wednesday at my school, so what am I doing? But and then I went to a football game and my hair was still popping. But thank you guys so much for watching. I included some pictures of the game and Fried Chicken Wednesday. So bye guys.